Today is August 11th, 2014. The date is, or the time is 10:56 p.m. First thing we're going to do for Trend Micro is show them that the app has been manipulated. So let's open the main console. And we're going to go down here to data. You can notice that the data theft prevention is on and the security race is on. So let's click theft prevention. And it says prevents hackers and spyware from stealing sensitive data like credit card numbers, passwords, email addresses, etc. Okay. What's our password? Now, as you can see on here, we have went through here and listed words that I am asking the application to be on the lookout for. I added these categories: UCAM, Link 3, Link 2, Link 1, Microsoft 2013, Trend Micro, mobile phone number, and credit cards. These are all areas that I suspect data is being leaked out of. Now, when I first turned on data theft, it worked perfectly, and I was getting 300 to 400 to 500 hits in an hour through one of these links here from Microsoft that data was trying to be stolen through. So I'm not going to say verbally out loud what these code words were, but as you can see, there's nothing down here at the bottom of the screen or anywhere on the screen alerting me to any data theft prevention, although it is rampant on this machine. So why is it rampant? Because the people that we are about to expose in court runs a hacking scheme, and they use this right here, Windows on top of Windows. Windows WoW 64 means Windows on top of Windows 64. It means they're running a 32-bit Windows system on top of my 64-bit so that they can run this computer through a transparent proxy server, which we had analyzed through Netalizer. Now you can see through all of these things on here. The most important thing that shows that we're on another network is that they have group policy and group policy users. How do I know about group policy and group policy users? Because I'm an IT student. So these individual things should not be on here. Now, here's another important thing. This is a Lenovo 2014 G700 laptop. As you can notice, the date modified on these particular items is July of 2012. Some are 2014, but very few of them. As I'm looking at them, I only see 1, 2 items in 2014, 1 item, 2 items in 2014. So this is the Windows on top of Windows operating system. So we go in here and we can right click one of these. We'll go down here to properties, go to security. We're going to edit. There is a list of all of the fake sign-in names that is used on this computer. I am the only one who uses this computer. These are all of the account names, especially this organization. This organization is the name that this group of hackers takes for themselves. So they sign on. Also, they have one under remote management users, service users, performance monitor users, remote interactive logon, remote management users, owner rights, These are all of these sign-on things have been added to my computer. There's 2 guests accounts. The guest account on this particular system has been disabled so that we can't even use it. They took off the network modem so that, or the network adapter, so that it can't even get on the internet. So you guys wanted to see more about the WoW System 32. I just wanted to show you the amount of users that have access to this machine that I certainly do not give permission for. So one of the tricks that they will use is they will, if I'm signed in under, for instance, Dominium, they will make a Dominium / or .absolutum, so that when I look at the security certificates or the security properties before I became savvy with the skills that I have, I would not have noticed the difference, because the simple difference was just a / or a dot. So as you can see on here, all of these things that they use under WoW 60 or under WoW System 64. I've also seen WoW 32. So they are copying everything that I use or do on this computer illegally, obviously, because they're hackers. So we have been able to isolate the Microsoft network license that they applied for, so we hope that the court will answer our subpoena and be able to trace the individuals who paid for that particular policy. But as you can see, the WoW system is quite extensive. I'm still scrolling, and the bar is close to the top, as you can see. Now all of this is under the WoW System 64, not my operating system. Okay, so now let's get to what they've done here to your security app. Now, I'm going to click OK, but I'm not even going to make any changes in here. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and it's going to give me an error sign. You have tried to protect information that includes unsupported characters. Please go back and try again. So somewhere in here, in these data windows, they have added hidden characters, or somehow it is added when I type, because here's what happens when we trash everything. So let's delete this one. Let's just delete all of them because they're not working anyway. We're going to add a new category. We're going to call it Word. And I'm going to put a word in here that I want them to watch for, that I want the system to watch for, and then block anything. Now obviously, okay, so let's add another category. Let's add credit card. I'm going to put what I know to watch for. Then we're going to add telephone. Okay, so there's 3 new columns. Now we're going to go down here, we're going to go OK to turn this on. And there's the error message that we get. Now, you guys asked for a short video on this. Here you go. I have uninstalled, reinstalled this system. My subscription expires February 20th, 2015. I also paid for the mobile app, $32 on my Android phone, and that has been ruined. Now, we suspect that this is an offshoot of the NSA. This group of people, we think that they operate in more than one city. Here is a list of the individuals. Here's 2 of them, Kia Cam and Hidden Network. As you can see here, there's only 1 signal bar. I have found these same networks throughout the city with strange names or identical names, and they all only have exactly 1 signal bar, because I believe them to be a fake access point. So when you click on these, this connect automatically is on anyone that is attached to this computer probably through hidden Bluetooth technology, I'm not sure. But at any rate, I can turn this off, come back to it again, and it's reconnected. This has been going on for 4 years with all the different computers I had until I went back to school for Microsoft network security, and I gained the skills to catch them at this. So now I'm passing this information on to Trend Micro. Since my college uses Trend Micro, I bought this application in the hopes that it would protect the computer. Your data theft applications is an excellent idea. It stopped hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of data streams that was leaving this computer, but they've disabled it. And that concludes the video that you asked for.